glimpse.
This is going to be my little test review of the Apeman A79 action camera, like 60 bones off Amazon. I know from what I watched, this audio won't be that hot. Another thing about the audio is supposedly it's still recording from the onboard camera, or the onboard mic, you know, the one on the camera, as well as I'm running the external, and it's kind of just close to my face. It's whatever. Like I said, it's like a little temporary test, so I don't have any dead cat on it or anything. Out on the 400, obviously. Old 434 monster. I don't want to get too soaking piggy dirty, but piggy dirty? Oh, front wheel wash. Just replaced the swing arm bearings in this when I was up at camp, which I didn't upload any video from. Swing arm was done, slap wore out. Well, the bearings. And you know what happens? Pull them linkage bearings off. They've probably been on there since 2002. Had to replace those as well. So, I'm going to go to the compound today, show you guys a little spot where I'm going to be cutting some hills. Kind of low-key, top secret, little bowl. But I'll catch up with you there. I guess one thing you'll hear right now is probably the excessive wind noise. I saw that in another video. I'm only rolling about 40 mile an hour. But all I have on is a little slip-on windscreen there. No dead cat or nothing, because like I said, it's a test. And it's probably rubbing on my beard, so I'm sure that doesn't help. Anyhow, I will say this is supposedly a 4K camera, but I'm not filming in that because I can't edit in that. I know that it'll be some garbage frame rate for $60. So this is not a 4K test. This is a usable 1080. I'm just rolling 32 just for the load on a cheap sensor, and I figure that should be acceptable. You know, you should be able to get an okay picture. I guess you can see here how it's handling light change. Ow, freaking bugs in my eyes, no goggles. How it's handling, like I'm in the shade and then I'll come into the light. A little example of that. And as I'm editing this, will be the first time I see how it reacts, so I won't be able to comment just yet on it. Got it. Alright, let's see how this goes.
Breast milk.
Not too bad. What do we got here? A little deeper, not ridiculous. I guess another thing I could address. I feel bad. A good bit of the few subscribers I have originally subscribed to me for the Apollo RFZ and pit bike stuff, and I just want to address what's going on with that. I haven't had a pit bike in a minute. I ended up selling the RFZ when I needed money. I like pit bikes, so we're gonna, for all you guys wanting that, I'd like to go brand new again. So sorry if you're following me just for pit bikes, but they'll be back eventually. Too many irons in the fire, too many hobbies. I'm telling you, this front tire's sucking the crank today. little secret bowl place I was talking about. It's rough getting in here. Look at this. I think
breast milk,
I want to go up there, or do I want to stay? I forget. No, I'll try it this way. Just gotta plow through some friggin' trees. So I said I need to clear it at least a little bit. Holy smokes. It's growing a lot since spring. I gotta save this for another video. I'm not even geared up. That'd be a good audio test, eh? Ouch. Ooh. What the freak was that? Ooh, that's the sketchiest I ever did. I didn't know if I'd make it, but I already dropped the hammer, you know. Dang. Yeah. So now you got to see a little bit of this A79 4K action cam. Again, this is the 1080 30 frame resolution. There's a couple other reviews out there. This is with the external mic. It's like I said, probably sounds like dog doo-doo. It's right on my beard and everything. It's literally just tucked in my cheek pad. But that's out of the box, so if you're looking to start moto vlogging and, you know, I guess technically I should give a shout out to who not recommended, but the video I watched on this camera firsthand that made me even buy it. And I can't remember off the top of my head, so I'll put it up on the screen, maybe link to the channel in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along on the rip. And go ahead and subscribe, even though, say you're here for pit bikes, they're coming back. I gotta get one. You're here for enduro. Well, I do a little of that when I can. Not the best at it. Or just dual sporting, that's the main thing. Got the Ventura parts still if you like the street bike stuff. It's a big variety. You know, jack of all trades, master of none. Some builds, some street riding, some dirt riding, and none of it really recorded that well. But it's honest content. It's raw. Thanks for watching.
oh, warm, delicious breast milk. It's so great.